Hi everyone. In this project, I'm using a custom MCP server. So aim of this MCP server is to communicate between the agent and the Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP system. So here in Dynamics 365 ERP system, I'm using all the standard functionalities, advanced warehouse plus external material handling interface. So here the user will submit some instruction to retrieve the open warehouse work IDs. So MCP will execute the respective tool and then it will retrieve the work ID and then it will send back to the agent and then the user will perform the activity and he will submit back the picked information and MCP will consume the confirm work tool and then it will push the data back to Dynamics 365. So here initially I'm using this agent as a picking board where the user need to key in the information. Later on it will be extended to a voice picking agent. So this custom MCP server is completely developed using JavaScript, and then inside the MCP I have two tools, confirm work and read lines. And in the environment we need to configure two different credentials. One, the MCP server need to communicate with Microsoft Dynamics 365, so we need to give these information, and there are like enough documentation, like you can refer these ones or you can send me a message so I can help you out. On the other side, the agent need to communicate with the MCP server, so we need to have other parameters configured in the Azure web application. So here I have pushed the uh, MCP code to Azure Web App Services, and then I have configured these parameters. So these four parameters are used in order to connect the MCP server and Dynamics 365 ERP system, and this credential is used to connect the uh, agent to MCP server. So in the agent, I have added the MCP through tools, and then inside the tool, actually, you can see like read open line and then confirm what both are appearing. So let's do one round of testing and see how it works. So I'm going to say list on open work ID. So it will retrieve and then giving me the open work IDs, and then it is asking me, are you ready to start the picking? So I'm going to say yes, start picking. So here you can see the work completion is done and automatically the work also completed. Thank you.